YouTube, this is your boy Shiggy back another video of Barber Maestros. Guys, in this video you will find some hottest haircut transformation. So if you really love to watch some craziest haircut transformation, I think this video is exactly upload for you. So don't skip this video. Just watch this video till then and you will get right haircut idea for you. In this video we have compiled most popular haircut among the black guys like tapper fade, skin fade, mid fade, drop fade, shape of line, and lots of other famous haircuts. So just stick with that video and enjoy. All of these barbers just got insane skills, and the way they are delivering haircut is very professional, and I really love that environment. And this environment is very welcoming, like you are very you will comfortable when you will getting a haircut. And these barbers are so friendly, and they have to be friendly, I think. The most cleanest haircut transformation compilations is gonna be the flawless transformation haircut that was. I already said that these barbers are not barber, they are just surgeon, they are doing hair surgery, they are saving life. The perfect one. I will mention all of these barber. I will try to mention all of these barber in my description box. So if you really love that work, or you are trying to get a appointment and you really love to have a haircut from one of these barber, and yes, you can visit that barber. I will mention this barber in my description box. So just click in the description box and choose whoever where you want to get haircut. And this is gonna be a most beautiful and flawless haircut transformation of the day. Guys, if you are really love to watch that type of haircut transformation, you have to subscribe our channel, because we have uploaded lots of haircut based on craziest transformation, like is based on some hottest haircut and latest haircut transformation. So if you really love to watch that type of transformation, I think you have to subscribe to Barber Metros and just go on the homepage of the Barber Metros and search on it like which haircut do you want to watch. We have at least uploaded some 600 videos on YouTube, and we have at least covered 90% of haircut that's based on black men. If you're a black guy and you are looking for some right haircut idea according to your hair and face shape type, I think you have to watch this video till end. And if you didn't get a perfect haircut idea, you have to watch some more videos on barber masters, and you will absolutely get the right haircut idea from barber masters. And I think that's your right to have a perfect idea before going to barber shop. Like you have your own choice. Don't forget to comment your favorite haircut transformation from these haircuts compilation. Guys, I hope you had enjoyed all of these crispiest and craziest haircut transformation. And this video is almost and we always try to share some latest haircut idea with you, so you have to support us, like watch our videos and share our videos and subscribe our channel. And anyways, thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.